Organizing a couple of shelves in the RV. It's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I decided that I wanted to clean this cupboard out. I should probably put my dishes away first so I have room. So let's put the dishes away first. I know, I just did dishes in my last video. Like I say, there's always dishes to do. So I'll just stick them over here. Just gonna stick them on that side. And then I have room here too. At least they're clean. I have room here. Okay. Now, that was quick. I'm going to take everything out of this cupboard and see if I can make room for other stuff. If I can put stuff elsewhere. I don't know. It's David's cup. Okay. Junk. I don't want that. And pan for cooking up the cake. And these bottles he doesn't even have anymore. Or maybe that's one. A different kind. My only bottle. Who knows? I won't throw it out. But I do need a cloth so I can wipe it up. Let's grab my phone so I can video it. Okay, there we go. And I want to get a big thing here. So I might have to clean out a couple of cupboards. Let's get these cutting boards out of here too. They can probably go somewhere else because they're flat. I'm going to get this one cupboard done and put the machine in it that I want. That would be really good. Put on this side. I won't worry about this side. I don't know if this is going to be big enough. I'm going to try and see. I want to put this guy in that cupboard. So we're going to take it over here, take it over here. And see if it'll fit. I have a feeling it's not going to. Nope. But it'll fit down below. So let's move the rice up. And the garbage bags. And some gloves. And the waffle maker. Well, that facing the wrong way. Around. Okay, that's better. Okay, this big machine won't fit in there, so I'm going to clean out this cupboard as well. And there's something. Okay, so cupboard as well. And this is, what is that? Must be a pot maker or something. So, just down a little bit lower. Kick my shoes off. There we go. Oh, we got potatoes. This is up here. What are these? Oh, those are bags too. I wonder if we use them both. Okay. Let's see. What else have we got down here? It's our hand mixer. And I have no idea what this is. Maybe it can go in the cupboard, I don't know. Okay, there's this one. Grab the ski towel because it's damp. I can wipe this out. And this is the blender I like. Got on the cupboard. I like my blender for when I'm up here. Where did my towel go? Where did my towel go? Ho, ho, ho. Okay, now I'm going to put this big thing down here. There, it fits perfect. And that beside it. Let's see. Like this. These two cupboards I pulled stuff out of and put it all over the place. This is David's measuring cup. I know he likes to have it handy. I think that's part of the blender. This goes with this. Let's put that together. And a bunch of packs of sugar. Good thing it's in a plastic bag. I would have ants. Okay, this thing. Oh, we're going to put it in here. I'm going to move you and put you in there. There we go. I don't have any idea what that is, but these bottles can go in front here. I'm not sure if he even uses them. Does this go with this? It must be some kind of a cup or something. I don't know. Okay, now we have to how that goes, but I'm going to stand it up behind the boards and put it in there. It's my blender. And a brown bag. Perfect. Just got these chips in a brown bag and you can come out of here and just sit in there. I like the little snack bites. That's what I like. And sometimes I don't eat it, sometimes I eat 3 or 4. But most of the time I don't. Okay, so the lid I can put in the garbage. The brown bag that can go there. There, well, I got my cupboards done. I got that cupboard done and I'm very pleased. And I think things are better. Let's take you off of here so I can show you. Okay, that's the cupboard I emptied out. And put things in better so that we can use them better. And down here I got the big one off my cupboard that I wanted to. So that's much better. And I did my tiny tidy, which makes me happy. As I do like to do my tiny tidy. So, now I am going to get up off the floor, which is a task and a half at my age, which happens to be 71. But if you don't use it, you lose it. So I just keep on moving. Nice bike ride today. We do have electric bikes, so it's not quite so hard as manual bikes, but I think that's pretty good, considering we're both in our 70s. And I'm going to put you back on the tripod. There we go. Okay. Alrighty. And I have a fan blowing on me, so it keeps me cool, which is nice. So I'm going to pick up my blender off the floor. I think that's what this all is, I'm not sure. And I'm going to put it over there. Might not have all the pieces or something, I don't know. I don't know if this is even part of it. Might not be, but I can put that in here with the other gadgets. And the blender. Oh, I gotta clear the cupboard off first. Oops, that's a bottle. That'll go in the garbage. Let's bring you over here. Okay. Get the recycling out of the way. My glass can probably clean. Now we got more room for those utensils. Here's a straw. Okay. And I believe this is soap for washing clothes. I'm going to put it under the cupboard. And this is my blender. I'm not sure. I know there's more to it than that, but I'm not really sure what or how. So I'll let David put that together. It's nice to have it out. Okay. So I may as well put these dishes away. This is a strainer that folds down so it fits nice in the cupboard with my big bowls for salads. So they go in this cupboard down here, which you won't be able to see. You'll see me. Lucky you. And my plates go up here. And the big bowls and the small plates go there. And these two bowls go over here. And I would say that's it for the Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And thank you, Sunday Dog, for hosting this Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And don't forget to watch all the ladies in the playlist. And subscribe to their channels if you haven't. And I also invite you to subscribe to mine. You can subscribe to all of us and it's free. Yes, it is. Anyhow, I hope you like this video and we'll see you in my next one. Bye!